Hey everyone, today, I want to talk about a serious threat that's hitting businesses hard, right here in West Houston. It's called EncryptHub, also known as Larva 208. This cybercriminal group is on the prowl, and they're using some pretty sneaky tactics to infiltrate systems and deploy ransomware. So, how do they do it? Well, EncryptHub's got a whole toolkit. They use phishing attacks like smishing and vishing to impersonate IT support and trick employees into installing remote monitoring software. They've even created fake VPN login pages that look just like the real thing so they can steal your login credentials. And let's not forget social engineering, posing as IT support over the phone to get you to enter your details on fraudulent sites. But that's not all. EncryptHub's also been distributing Trojanized versions of popular software like Microsoft Teams and Google Meet. Once these malicious apps are installed, they use PowerShell scripts to deploy stealer malware such as Fickle, StealC, and Rhadamanthys to exfiltrate sensitive data. And then, bam, ransomware hits, locking up your files and demanding payment. And here's where it gets even scarier. Since early 2025, EncryptHub's been using a pay-per-install service called Lab Installs. For just $10 per 100 installations, they can distribute their malware at scale. It's efficient, it's cheap, and it's a big problem for businesses. So what can you do to protect your business? Impress IT Solutions recommends a few key strategies. First, train your employees. Make sure they know how to recognize phishing attempts and social engineering tactics. Second, implement multi-factor authentication, MFA, for all critical applications, including VPNs and email accounts. Third, deploy advanced endpoint detection and response, EDR, solutions to identify and neutralize malware early. Fourth, conduct regular security audits to keep your defenses strong. And finally, maintain secure off-site backups. If ransomware strikes, you'll want to restore your systems quickly without paying a ransom. The cyber threat landscape is always evolving, and businesses need to stay one step ahead. For more information on how to protect your business, contact Impress IT Solutions today. Stay safe, everyone.